Hey everyone, I'm Katla and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I'm going to be taking you through my getting ready process. I'm attending an event today, so I thought I should show you guys my makeup, my hair, and my outfit. But before we get into all of that, do make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay. Now that that's out of the way and you're finally subscribed, we can get into this event Glam. Okay, so first up, let's prime our skin. And today I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. And then I am going to go in with some concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. And I'm just going to be applying it on my dark spots. I think this is like the third time using this concealer, and y'all, I think I'm a fan. It is so creamy. It has really great coverage, to the point where I've even started wearing my what do you call this? I've even started to wear my foundations with not so great coverage because I have good coverage in my concealer now. So, you know, if you're looking for concealer, I think this may be it. So I'm going to 2 events today now, and to be honest, I don't know if I should come back and change after the first event and then go to the second one, or go from the second one straight, the first one straight to the second one. I have 2 hours between both events, so I can come back and change. I just don't want to waste money, you know? I don't want to waste money. I mean, Cyril's economy, guys. Cyril's economy is bad. It's bad. And also, one thing about events, they are so expensive to attend. Some people have the money to get like their hair done and their makeup professionally done, because usually at these events you are gonna get some professional pictures taken. So people take it as an opportunity to, like, you know, get content done at these events. So, you know, hair, makeup, all expensive. But something that I haven't heard a lot of people talk about is actually the amount of money you spend getting to the event. Oh my god, today alone I think I'm gonna spend 500 rand on Ubers, because the other event is quite far away from me. It's at Mall of Africa, and that's a good 200 rand Uber from where I'm staying. And then the other one is a little bit closer to me. But yeah, it's real, okay? Going to events is a good way to meet the people who are working for that specific brand, like the PR people, and to introduce yourself and to get on PR lists and all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, it's like, at what cost? I mean, today I'm gonna spend 500 rand, so you really have to ask yourself, at what cost? Today I'm a go shame. I'm going to be an event girl today and hit up 2 events. Oh, chair. Now I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit, and then in like 10 minutes I'm gonna come back and we can finish off this face beat. I'm gonna make some tea. I'll be back. Alrighty then, let us continue. I'm gonna be setting the concealer with some powder. Yeah, my first event is at 3 and starts at 3, and my second event, what do you call this? My second event ends at 10. So, you know, this gotta last. Not a professional, but in my experience, there's 2 ways: a really good setting spray and to use some powder. Set. Ah! Oh my goodness. I look insane. But foundation will fix me. And today I'm gonna be using the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I think I have a review on it on my channel already, so I will link it and y'all can see that. I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades because you know, it's not really my shade. None of these shades are my shade. So I mix a little bit of the darker one with a little bit of the lighter one to get my shade. Let's hope. Oh.
Okay, babe, get back to it then.
Okay, baby.
Text me.
I'll
Text me
take.
when you get a moment.
I will. Maybe like in an hour, I'll be done.
That's cool, baby.
Okay. Love you. Bye. Okay, so I just finished what do you call this, blending out my foundation. So let's continue with the rest of the makeup. Okay, so I did my brows off camera because honestly it's brows, who cares? If you guys really do want a brow tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll do a whole separate video, because I don't think if you want to learn how to do brows you'd watch a whole face bead video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me know in the comments and I'll do that for y'all. But from now on I'm just gonna be skipping the brows because nothing has changed. It's been the same damn routine that I've had for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. So every single video is gonna be the same damn brows. So yeah, you know, whatever. Anyway, let's continue. Right now I am gonna blend out the concealer. When I want the bright under eye effect, I'll use 2 different shades. I'll use one that's the one I usually highlight with, and then I'll use a lighter one so I can get a brighter under eye, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I am just blending it out now with this brush and contemplating my eye choice for today. Let me be honest now, I want to do white eyeliner because I love a good white eyeliner moment. And recently Rihanna has been wearing like colored and graphic liners, and she did a white liner recently, so obviously I want to do it because, you know, Rihanna did it. No, but I'm serious, like I've been wearing white eyeliner I think for 2-3 years now. I don't know, I kind of stumbled across it, and yeah, that was that. I haven't stopped. So I think I want to do it today, but I really don't want to mess it up. So, you know, I'm scared. I am terrified. Okay, so I went to go check the time while I was wetting my little beauty blender here, and I realized that I have an hour to finish this whole thing. And if I mess up my eyes, I'm going to need like 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? 30 minutes, which I'd rather spend eating, because at these events, guys, now, at these events, most of the time, there's no proper food, okay? There's no proper food, and my lights are leaving at 2. So when I do the load shedding calculations, it tells me that I do not have time for a white eyeliner look today. So instead, I am gonna recreate my Easter makeup. And I'm gonna recreate my Easter makeup because that is like my default glam makeup, like something special happening, right? Something a little bit glam and not trying too hard, but y'all can see that like I'm beautiful, you know what I'm saying? But like also at the same time it's like subtle, you know? So I guess you could say when I'm trying to be Beyonce, this is the makeup that I do. And like it looks good every single time. I wore it to a wedding, it looked good. I wear it to events, it looked good. I wear it on Easter, I look good. This look right here, is gonna eat every time, and it's really simple to do. Today I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Baking Powder. I'm going to be using it with this little application brush. I'm going to be using to set my under eye concealer, and around my nose area. I sometimes get a little bit sweaty in this area, so some of that and a little bit here. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. This is like the yellowest powder I've ever used. It's like yellow. Like if you're looking for a yellow powder, this is it. This is like very fucking yellow. That's why I'm not using a lot, because you know, sometimes the yellow powder can make us look a little bit crazy. Just a little bit crazy. And then I always like to apply some of it on my eyebrows, because it picks up some of the product and then kind of softens the eyebrow a little bit. So yeah, come on, makeup tip. Anyway, let's continue, and then you guys can come closer and we can get started with this eye. First up, you are going to take a brown nude shade and place it all over the lid. And while you're here, just drag it down your nose like that. Period. Okay, for this look, you're gonna need two different shades of gold. One that's a little bit lighter than the other, and the lighter one you're gonna add it on top of the darker one. It will give it a nice pop. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So first we're gonna go in with the darkest gold that you're gonna be using, right? I'm gonna be using Surf and Turf, and then you want to apply it in this area over here. So not all over your lid, okay? Just up until where your eye will crease. And then you want to go in with your lighter shade on top of it. And then blend the two. And then after that, to take it from amateur to maybe I got my face professionally done, you want to add that brown shade to the bottom lash line. You see what I'm talking about? You get me? Okay, cool. And then, you want to take a white eyeliner. I'm going to be using this one from Signature Cosmetics, and just on the lower lash line, just, you know, let me show you what I mean. Okay, we are done with the eyes. I don't wear lashes. I never really learned, and I don't like applying mascara before I put on my setting spray, because my mascara always runs or smudges if I do that. So I usually finish my face before I do my mascara, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, we are somewhat done, so let's go ahead and apply our lip stuff and our mascara. So today I'm going to be using the Catrice Max It mascara. I love this mascara. I use it a lot. Like, this is my daily mascara. So let's start with a brown liner. I got mine from Signature. It's a dark brown liner. Just line the lips. Ooh. And then you want to go in with this one. I think it's Toffee. It's light brown. I love the lip liners from Signature because they have so many different kinds of browns and they're actually quite affordable. And then now let's put on some lipstick. I'm going to be using the Switch Beauty Air Matte lipstick in shade Destiny. We're gonna blend it out. That's really important, y'all. The devil is in the detail. And now let's go over it with some Fenty Gloss Bomb, Fenty Cream Gloss Bomb. And we have our event face. Now let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, so this is my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing to the Beauty on Top event. I got this dress from Superbalist. I think it's Daisy Street. It's backless, it has some buttons down the back, and it's long sleeve. I really love the bottom part of this dress because I feel like it was made so... consciously because it looks so good just going like that, you know? It's really nice. And these shoes are from Public Desire. I've had them for years now. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with these ones because honestly wearing such shoes in a mall is not the best idea, but I love the look. I love how everything looks together, so I may stay with these ones. My accessories, I have my watch over here, I have my pearl bracelet. I got this bracelet from the Philippines. If you haven't watched my Philippines vlog, I will link it right now so you can watch it, okay? And I have some chunky gold rings, and I also have some gold hoops. I feel so pretty. I feel so pretty. But yeah, this is my outfit. And that is it from me for today's video. I've shown you guys my makeup, I showed you my hair, and I showed you my outfit. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video. Maybe I'll do some more. If you give me a big thumbs up, I'll definitely do more of these. And yeah, let me go off to my events. I have an event in like an hour. But yeah, I'm gonna go now. Let me go. And until the next video, I'm gonna see you when I see you. Peace.